Hello, Degens. So, I've been asked in the Discord to explain how to find copy tradable wallets that are not gonna wreck you, which is normally a very likely thing that will happen to you if you try to copy trade for wallets. Just remember that understanding this knowledge of the blockchain, how it works, is not only for winning money, but you're making yourself future proof. What will happen when the dollar gets tokenized? What will happen when mortgages get tokenized? Assets, stocks, options. So yeah, let's get into the video. First of all, let's go to one of the first wallets we see. I'm going to explain you about a phenomenon of how people get or farm copy traders. This is a sniper. Most likely this wallet, by the looks of the unrealized profits, is just a wallet that snipes into every coin. If it does bad, it never realizes the profit, and if it does good, it realizes the profit. So let's see if I'm right. Unrealized profit. If we see the activity, yes, it looks like it snipes every new coin launched, but I don't know if he has some filters, because there's definitely more than those coins launched. Maybe this guy has some filters, such as anti-rug filters, etc. So there's some strategy behind that. There's some data scraping, but yeah, this is what I fear. All of these trades are copy traded, and if they are not profitable, they are not realized, which will not account for his good ratio of win to sells, will not account to the total P&L, but it will account to the unrealized profit. So here we can see that maybe he fumbled 300 coins or something like this, and all of this money that he won is probably from recent P&L. Yeah, so that's interesting. This is all his profit, and that's actually what amounts for such a big percentage. I don't know if it makes too much sense to copy trade a sniper, because you don't have your own RPC, you don't have your own sniper software, and yeah, but I don't know, there's some that could make sense, because it looks like this one is only sniping specific pairs with some filters. So maybe if you don't want to code that yourself, then just copy trade this wallet. And the problem with copy trading is that if you just go for many of these wallets, there's plenty of them that are just ragging their own copy traders, and that's very likely to happen if you don't know what you're doing. So in my opinion, you should just avoid fresh wallets, because there's many of them that probably had a previous wallet and they ragged, and now they just had to create another one. So just avoid the fresh wallets just in case. Stick to KOLs. Maybe stick to snipers. If you have your own RPC, it can make sense. Right now we are trying to buy an RPC, a on-chain Brown, so our members can use it. And yeah, fresh wallets, bye. Another sniper, doesn't look too good. No trades. KOL looks good, kinda, but of course we don't know what's his unrealized profits. We see see what I mean, 33,000 unrealized profits. So this could easily be someone just farming other people. It's very likely. Yeah, he can just be farming other people. Let's see. Luis Fausto. Okay, this one is not farming anyone. Who is this guy? Okay. It looks like this guy could have some insider information if he's into marketing. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, and he bought Cerebro. This one got quite popular. DevCelo. Oh, wow, what a big fumble. Opa. Okay, and he also bought Chill Guy. Okay. Okay, so yeah, you get the sense of how to copy trade, right? You check for at least a high balance of sol. This guy doesn't have a high balance, but you skip the fresh wallets. You try to go for a big win ratio. Many transactions here, or not so many, but some. You shouldn't go for less than 10 transactions. Yeah, this one looks good, even though it's in a loss right now. Unrealized profits is 91,000. Yeah, so that's okay. Uses Trojan. It's a smart wallet. Yeah, so big tip, avoid fresh wallets. Make sure that they have some background. Make sure they have some filters like this. Look, this one has a lot of traits. Check for the unrealized profits, very important. And yeah, I think from here on the only tip left is to diversify your copy trades. Don't focus your copy trades on always the same person, because you have to diversify the risk. If you follow these rules, and you can use the own copy trading wallet here or Trojan, if you follow these rules, there's more chances that you will be profitable with meme coins. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and see you later.